Nigerians have been encouraged to learn how to amicably resolve their dispute in a peaceful manner rather than dragging one another to court. President of the Institute of Chartered Mediators and Conciliators ICMC, Dr. Agada Elashi, gave the advice at the commissioning of the Ekiti State office of the organization in the state capital at Ekiti.
In the name of God and in the name of ICMC Ekiti branch, I hereby commission this ICMC Ekiti branch dispute resolution center. Congratulations.
Elachi noted that with the ICMC in Ekiti, residents have a good alternative to litigation, with cases resolved more quickly, cheaply, and amicably than those held in Nigeria's congested courts.
And the ICMC ODR platform now is available to assist business people, people who have concerns and all that, especially our brothers and sisters who are based abroad. They can actually file, and so far, for those of you who are involved and who are on the platform, I'm sure you are seeing the results that are coming in, and it's very interesting. We haven't done any big claim yet, but like everything in life, it grows gradually. My appeal to those of you who are here is not to let down your guard and to continue to work hard and continue to sharpen your skills, to be those neutrals who can avail yourself when the opportunity comes.
The ICMC president told Puff TV that the mission of his organization is to provide timely, cost-effective, and user-friendly access to justice.
What we are doing, as you say, is to bring about some techniques and bring about the knowledge of and appreciation of certain techniques that advance that capacity of our people to be able to help themselves resolve their disputes in an assured and confident manner.
Earlier in his welcome address, the chairman of ICMC Ekiti branch, Professor Demola Akiyoade, said the dream of having ICMC in Ekiti would not have been possible without the support from all members.
We have plans to be mediating, to be having family dispute mediation. We have plans to be mediating communal conflicts. Family dispute is the biggest kind of dispute in Ekiti State. And recently, communal dispute is coming up. So many of our members here, after doing the MED Act, that is the Mediation, Accreditation and Certification training, they are doing many other specialized training.
He shed light on what ICMC stands for.
Before the advent of litigation, we in Africa, we know how to settle our disputes, right from under the trees to the Oba's palace and so on. But the central thing in our conflict resolution system in Africa is the fact that emphasis is placed on restoration of relationships, but you don't have that in court. So ICMC was established about 21 years ago in Nigeria, but now it started here in Ekiti about 4 or 5 years ago. The branch was established around 2021 during the COVID period, and the purpose, like I said, is to make mediation services available to people. For now, we do it for people, even pro bono. Certain cases are handled pro bono.
Other executive members of the Ekiti branch say Ekiti people do not need to approach court to resolve their disputes, as individuals are free to contact ICMC directly and initiate a case.
Anybody that has a kind of complaint can go just with their handset or their laptop. They can go to the platform of the ICMC, that is the ODR platform, pay a token fee of maybe 3,000 or so, and then lay their complaint on that platform. They will say what it is that they have a problem with. Maybe it's a landlord to a tenant. All they need to do is provide us with the information of the other party and leave it at that. So we, on the platform too, we have who we call resolution specialists. I happen to be one of them. So we specialists will look at the case, will analyze it, and then we'll get in touch with the other party to hear their own side of the story. And then we'll look for an opportunity by which we can mediate on such a matter.
We have mediation centers, so I have been working there because I'm passionate about alternative dispute resolution, considering the fact that cases take long in court for reasons best known to parties and the judge, bureaucracies and otherwise. And for mediation, it is always timely, and also the parties are involved in mediation, unlike in court that they speak through their lawyers. So for me, I believe that the existence of the Secretariat and our resource center would let the public know that there is a private mediation center in Ekiti where they can come with their small claims, they can come with marital issues, they can come even with chieftaincy issue, communal disputes. We can look into all of that.
With the advent of the Institute of Chartered Mediators and Conciliators, ICMC in Ekiti State, residents are reminded of their cultural heritage and benefits of resolving conflicts without a recourse to the courts. Kayode Adegbile reporting for Pop TV News at Ekiti.
People of the Fountain.